All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Right, hello. It's me, Tim from Wales, and welcome to How Did You Do That? Episode 1. Now, what I'm going to do in these videos is I'm going to go out for a bit of a ride, show you a bit of riding footage. I'm going to do maybe some different video angles or something, and then I'm going to show you how I got that particular shot, whether it be a transition from one shot to another, or whether it be a particular angle or something. I don't know, some of them may be really simple, really straightforward. Hopefully some of them might inspire you to do something a little bit different with your GoPro or whatever your action camera is. So let's go for a little ride, and I will see you with my tip at the end of the video.
All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Running back. Because I'm awfully deceiving. I always say I'm fine, but that's not the true meaning. The walls are caving in and it leaves me with feelings, but the only one that matters is I won't be defeated. They'll keep talking, pray that I lost it. I keep it cool, my attitude stay frosted, and I'm intending to bring a revolution. There far too many problems with far few solutions. So let's march towards the hills. Let's march with the dreams to be fulfilled. The band is letting, I'm making them sign a bill. Letting out the future is hard to me still. And all I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need a breathe. All I know is we just need a breathe. All I know is...
So I said I'd show you how I was going to make that shot, and it's pretty straightforward. I used 2 cameras. I probably could have used one. I probably could very easily have just used the GoPro and just brought that out with me today, because the GoPro has some really good stabilization, slow-mo functions. But if I'm honest, I'm actually really lazy with settings on the GoPro. So yeah, anyway, could have used the GoPro. But I bought this a few years ago, and I've been trying to figure out whether I would get rid of it or keep it, and as it's so small, as you can see, it's tiny, I figured it's a easy camera to keep hold of, and with the built-in gimbal and the slow-mo mode that's easily achievable at the push of a button, it's absolute no-brainer just to keep hold of it. So all I did was I got this down nice and low across the ground, through the leaves, into the stump, into the dark, and then when I started the talky bit, I started the dark bit of the camera at my chest, brought it out and started talking. So you get a nice simple transition really. So if you like this kind of thing, then leave a comment below, give us a thumbs up obviously, and subscribe. And I'm going to try and do a lot more of this. So I'm going to go out for a ride, I'm going to perhaps incorporate a different kind of shot or a different angle in a video, and then I'm going to show you how I did it, perhaps what GoPro mounts I've used or what cameras I've used or something like that. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, leave a comment below, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video really soon.
All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just meet up. All I know is you just meet up.